Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Toy Story Duplo train from part 3. This is going to be easy. It's Duplo. Yeah, they make really loud noise because they're big. Hey, this is so little. Wait, what? Cool. This is not instructions. It's not even close to being instructions. So I think we use the box. They tricked me. That instruction line. This is a tiny instruction stuff, but technically it's not. Yeah, we built from the box, I guess. I'm just copying it from the box. The train is super easy. That's mostly it. Mostly the next we're building the cactus. The cactus has a note that says has pork chop on it. It says wanted. That's weird. I don't even know what that means. On the Lego set, a villain. It was on one of my Lego sets. There was a villain. It was what's his name? And it was Incredibles. The Incredibles, like Disney, the superheroes. It was a sign on a wall that said "wanted." That was the Underminer. I still don't know what that means. It's just weird. Comment down below if you know what it means. So here I have Woody and Buzz. So let's give the money to Buzz. Looks like someone's gonna frame him. Because mostly he has the box and the money in his hand, so I think he's gonna be framed. I think it goes right there. Yeah. Oh, we'll put the. Oh, there's a bomb. Well, dynamite big thing. This is really hard. It's like putting wood together. There we go. If he just doesn't look what he's doing, he might capture Buzz. I got him! So this is the Toy Story 3, what was it called? Train. Okay, now we got all the evidence. Cut that. Where? Yeah, I think we could take the piece of the cactus to eat. Don't forget it. Alright. this stuff, all the evidence. Yeah, we'll take the money back. I never put this in there. Oh my gosh, nothing's gonna fit. Okay. Wait up. Yes, I don't close. The evidence. So mostly I would use this as the evidence. So they know who it is. Touch the bomb. This looks like the barrel of the monkeys. Like when the poor spaceship just drops in and it just blows up monkeys. That's what it looks like to me, like the barrel. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, bye. Stay tuned for this Lego set, Buzz and Woody's Carnival Mania.